Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a mid-ear washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so resetting your mid-ear washing machine can help resolve various issues such as unresponsiveness, error codes, or even cycle interruptions. The reset process may vary depending on your machine's model, but I'm just going to give you a quick basic general guide. So there's two different ways how we can do this. So we can do a basic power reset. So in order to do this, we need to unplug the machine from the power outlet and then simply wait 5 minutes to allow any residual electricity to discharge on the unit. Then from there, plug the machine back in and turn it on. This simple reset often resolves minor glitches or startup issues. Now we can perform a control panel reset depending what type of model you got. So if you got a model that has a reset function, this will work. So locate the reset button on the control panel. It may be labeled reset, cancel, or power. And then from there, press and hold the button for a few seconds until the machine displays a confirmation or resets itself. Then from there, just follow any on-screen instructions if applicable. And also refer to your user manual for specific instructions tailored to your model if you get any of them.